Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, then go to the Backup, enable Backup to Google Drive feature, and what you have to do next is to add your Google account. You will of course need internet connection to add Google account, and here you have to enter your email or phone number. Then tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Then tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And then tap Accept here. And your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.